In today's world, more and more people are looking for eco-friendly mobility solutions, and Hyundai has taken note of this. The company is introducing the all-new KONA, a sleek and dynamic BSUV that comes in an all-electric variant, hybrid electric and internal combustion engine variants, and sporty N-line versions of each. The KONA was developed as an EV first, in line with Hyundai's accelerated electrification strategy announcement that will bring 11 new Hyundai EVs to market by 2030. This makes the KONA a significant addition to Hyundai's EV lineup, which includes the popular IONIQ models. The KONA has a rugged and dynamic design and is packed with advanced safety and convenience features. It comes with dual 12.3-inch panoramic display screens, a digital Key 2 Touch, full over-the-air updates, and Connected Car Navigation Cockpit. It also boasts a class-leading all-electric range in the BSUV segment, estimated at 490 kilometers by the WLTP. The all-new KONA is powered by Hyundai's SmartSense advanced driver assistance system, which includes Level 2 autonomous driving, forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot view monitor, remote smart parking assist, and driver status monitor. The KONA's exterior design breaks away from the conventional ICE to EV development process and follows an EV to ICE process, resulting in a futuristic EV-centric exterior that accentuates the SUV's pure volume to make a rugged and dynamic impression. The EV variant has a drag coefficient of just 0.27, making it aerodynamically efficient without sacrificing style. The interior is designed to embrace a wider range of lifestyles, with a larger living space and driver-centric front row accentuated by a floating horizontal C-pad with integrated dual 12.3-inch panoramic display screens. In summary, the all-new KONA is a game-changer in the BSUV segment, offering advanced features, eco-friendly mobility solutions, and a dynamic design that supports active lifestyles. Hyundai's commitment to electrification and sustainability is evident in the KONA, and it's clear that the company is at the forefront of the EV revolution.